Hi and welcome back. Today I wanted to show you something that I thought was very pretty neat. Usually you get your can opener and you open it, you twist it to this side and you undo it. And I can't believe this, but there's like this little trick that you do. And you grab this, see this little straight thing right here? So you're gonna lean it onto your can like that. So you're doing it sideways, right? And check this out. You're gonna clasp it like this, okay? And then you're gonna just turn the lid, turn it away. Or, just keep on turning. Turning. Keep on. We're almost there. I just wanted to show you this. And, at first I didn't see no opening. So I was thinking maybe I'm not doing it right. Or maybe for some reason, it wasn't opening. But it's so crazy. But check this out. Check this out. Just be careful. Look at that. I'm going to turn it this way because it doesn't want to come out, but look at that. You won't cut yourself. Usually when you open the can, it makes like a cut into there, so you got to be careful opening the lid. Look at this. This is amazing. I thought that was pretty cool that I wanted to show you. You should give it a try. It's so easy that it'll amaze you. I was just freaking out on that. Like, wow, are you serious? I won't get no more cuts, because all you do is open it up like that. It's a pretty good thing to do. So just wanted to show you something clever that I saw. And I think I just wanted you to know that. I do want to say thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe, like, and share. See ya.